my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. I am so excited today because Bobbi Boss came out with a glueless wig. A glueless wig, y'all. I want to know if it does everything it claims to do. So this is a 13x7 extended lace frontal. Now this is retailing right now for $57. Okay? $57. Do not drag me in the comments. Do not drag me on my DMs. I know it's a little high for a synthetic wig, but it's supposed to be perfect for glueless installs. It's pre-plucked natural hairline, flawless free parting because you have the 13x7 lace, a flexi fit cap for secure comfort, and yeah. So first of all, I really like the packaging of the wig. Packaging is really cute. So this is what she looks like straight out the pack. I'm about to remove all this fluff. Okay, now first of all, the quality of this hair is really pretty. I got it in the color 1B, and the style is Alivia. I guess that's the name of it. It's Aliva style MBLF001. So this is what the stock card looks like. This color is really pretty. However, I don't think that color is gonna be for your girl, so we're not gonna rock with that. I just stuck with a good old 1B, and that's what we're gonna stick with. Right off the bat, I'm looking at the lace, and first of all, these are baby hair bangs. They said it comes with baby hairs, but baby, those are bangs, okay? Those are not baby hairs, so I'm gonna have to like do something with it. It has the lace, and then it has a nice sturdy cap. Like, this is pretty sturdy. Even this is more sturdy than some of my human hair wigs, so pretty good. It's a nice fitted cap in the inside. Also, you have an elastic band, and you have adjustable straps. Mine aren't connected, but here they are right here. And then you got a comb in the back. Is there another comb in here? And two combs like at the top of your head. First of all, just looking at the wig, this elastic band is adjustable. I know people started coming out with those later, but this is really a good idea because not everybody's head fits the elastic straps as well, but this is going to keep it really secure and probably flat. So let's go ahead and pop her on so we can see what she looks like straight out the pack. Oh, she's pretty. Y'all know I stand honey, a good body wave. Ooh. Yes. I can see how she can be glueless, y'all, because like, look at this, ain't going nowhere. I mean, this is secure. And I'm brushing those baby hairs back because I was like, girl, what am I supposed to do with that? What do y'all want me to do with that? But straight out the pack, honey. Yes, ma'am. Let's go ahead and cut this lace off and see what we're rocking with. Okay guys, I'm back. I decided to add you utilize a little bit of that bang of the baby hair and just slick down a little bit of my edges. I just thought it looked really cute with this. You don't have to do that. You can brush it all back. But I think that the edge booster kind of helped it blend a little bit better. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see the hairline is beautiful. Like, this part is stunning. And I added a little powder because I did feel like the parting space needed. I didn't want to pluck it. First of all, this wig is high, okay? And I didn't want to over pluck the wig. So I just kind of kept it the way it was. This is a good 24 inches. It's below my boob area, as you guys can see. That's what it looks like in the back. It's a nice full density. Guys, minus the shedding, I am in love with this wig. I'm obsessed. The texture is beautiful. It's a light yaki texture. The length is gorgeous and doable, by the way. I might end up cutting her, but not today. The price point is higher. You're looking at a higher end. You can probably get some human hair wigs for $60. This is a higher end synthetic wig. The quality of the cap, everything that they put in it, also everything that they put in this wig to make it stay on your head, it's gonna stay on your head. Unless your husband is trying to pull it off, that's the only way I can see this coming off. But this is wind sturdy. For you, those of you live in the windier cities, this is walking around every day. It's not gonna slip sturdy. So I do think that the amount of money that it's worth is actually worth the money. It's worth the coins. It's worth your dollars. I love it. I'm obsessed. I think she's gorgeous. And this is a human hair blend. I just realized that. I think I said synthetic originally. This is a human hair blend. So you can curl it. It is curling iron safe up to 450 degrees, all that standard stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Bobbi Boss Alivia or Alivia, whatever you want to, whatever the name is. She's cute, and I think she is definitely worth it. Let me know in the comments if you guys have checked this wig out for yourselves. What do you think about it? Are you loving it? Is it a no? Whatever. But I actually think she is a bomb keeper. You must get her. She's a must get. She's a must, guys. All right, so if you have been watching this video all the way through to right now, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you can join my family and catch up on any of my older videos and any new videos that I have. There's also a bell notification down there that will notify you each and every time I upload. So make sure you hit that subscribe and the notification bell. And if you're not already, you probably already seen this look on my Instagram. So make sure you guys follow me at @just_DJ. If you're looking for more wigs, I review some more right here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go follow me on all IG, and I will catch you on my next video.